everybody, and welcome to the Teacher's Lounge. This is the cozy corner of my channel where we talk about teaching in the performing arts. My name is Bradley J. I have been a classroom music teacher for 10 years, and I have also been working in university theater departments for another 10 years. I am going to be sharing some concepts and some ideas and some stories relating to teaching in the performing arts that might be helpful for you, especially if you are a young teacher. If you are anything like any of my students, you have been trained in performance, but sometimes you find yourselves in opportunities where you need to flex your teaching muscles, whether you've been trained in them or not. One story comes to mind of a former student of mine. Upon graduation, she found herself in a middle school classroom, and so she came to me seeking advice. Particularly, she asked, "Are there any tips or tricks?" I remember laughing and thinking, you do not need tips and tricks, you need pedagogy. Pedagogy is the term that we use for how a teacher breaks down concepts into digestible ideas. One way that we can think about pedagogy is that we don't ask a student who is here to suddenly jump to here. We put stepping stones in place in order to make that easier for them. So therefore, this segment of my YouTube channel is going to be talking about those steps. Be on the lookout for future videos, and as always, make it a great day.